Ndereti ya riendekithia ria kurengaga aruti wira na andikani gicunji gia 3% kia micara kiri kigina gia gukinyaniria waki wa nyumba cia raithi no ithiite nambere na gwakiriria ri atongoria matiganite thirikari-ini makiuria akenya mahimbirie kurengwo mbeca ici.
Good afternoon everyone.
Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya migunda na waki Charles Hinga, akenya matiagirwo ni kurarakwo ni mbeca iria megutinio kuona iguru ria gutigirira akenya ni magia na wikaro mwega na wa raithi. Kigina giki ni gikuhotithia thirikari guthondeka mieke makiria 600,000 ya mawira o mwaka kuri mbeu njithi.
If you're retiring, if you read what is in the finance bill, it says you get back your money at the earlier of retiring, death, or 7 years. So whichever comes first, you're going to get back your money. So if you retire in 2 years' time, you get back your money, whatever you've saved.
Higorio kwaragia thingiraini wa iragia ri hamwe na mwaria thingiraini ucio Hussein Mohamed ni ongereire kuga mubango uyu ni ukwarahura gukura kwa iganda iri ithondekaga indo cia waki undu uri gucungirira kwarahuka kwa utonga wa bururi.
You must create a consumptive demand. You know, we talk about manufacturing. Manufacturing doesn't just fall from heaven. You must create a demand for that manufacturing. Otherwise, you're manufacturing for what? If you're doing 200,000 a year, that is $1.2 million. That's how you've created a door-making industry. And that door-making industry will hire so many Kenyans.
Hinga ni ongereire kuga andu aria matari na micii yao nio mariheagwo mieke ya mbere ya kugia na nyumba na gutire mundu uritikagirio kugia na nyumba makiria ya imwe. Miario ya Hinga ni kindiritwo ni minister wake Zacharia Njeru.
Mbeca ici iria kuratuika ni tugutinio ti mbeca cikurira, ni mbeca cigukorwo cigiteithiriria muno brothers na sisters aitu aria ni andu athi tuhote kuona ati nao ni makokorwo magikara na njira iria yagirire tandu.
Handu-ini hake minister munene Musalia Mudavadi ni augite gicunji giki kia micara ni kimwe kia njira iria thirikari ikuhuthira niguo kuongerera kigina kiria rogotaga o mwaka niguo kugacirithia miturire ya Kenya riu akiuria Kenya makiriririe thirikari enyorothe maundu.
No room to lie to Kenyans. We all know things went bad before Kenya Kwanza took over and are bad today. This experience should prompt us to work together to mitigate the dire situation.
Riendekithia riri ni riukirirwo muno ni muingi na makiria ni muoho wa mung'ethaniro kuria meraniire gwitia mirurungano ya muingi angikorwo thirikari ndikuriteaniria. Nyumba ici gwakwo matauni-ini guothe bururi-ini kuria gicigo kia bunge gitanyitwo gwakwo nyumba itanyihiire 200 o mwaka. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Njoroge wa Kimani.